before. Everyone stay seated though during the cruise. Keep your arms, hands, legs, feet inside the boat. Now you got kids, watch out for them. Jungle out there. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise, folks. I'm Skipper Carl. Now take a look on the log right there, guys. You see them? According to locals, those are margarine flies. Yeah, they call them that because they can't believe they're not butterflies. All right, there you go. It takes a while. Yeah. We're passing through the Amazon rainforest, folks. We almost missed it. Right up there, you can't miss the big glowing thing. See that right there? Now, according to locals, everyone who have taught me everything I know about the jungle, that apparently is an ancient snake bowling trophy. Now, speaking of ancient, I probably should talk to him. Anyway, this right up here, though, that's the ancient sunken Cambodian shrine. Held up by those two things. I just can't remember what they call them. Oh, that's a big one. According to locals, that's a Himalayan tiger, folks. Yeah, they call them Himalayans because normally you'll see Himalayan right there along the water's edge. The other day, though, somebody said they saw a Himalayan over there. Hey, folks, I've been up and down the river here. I've never seen Himalayan anywhere. I seen him at standing. Hey, that's neither here nor there. Today we're looking out for Skipper Felix. He's a brand new skipper. He took off with a bunch of VIPs and we can't find him. And we did find the Indian elephant pool. They say only elephants bathe here, but that's a crock. That's Bertha. She's been in the shower so long and got so many wrinkles. I think she needs to be a pachydermatologist. We're enough of that jocularity. Listen, you people gotta settle down. We're going into the Congo. It's a little more dangerous here. Watch yourself. Uh-oh. No, don't do this now. Don't do this. No. Let's have a good cruise. Hey, listen, it's too cold. These people don't want to get wet. Oh my gosh, it worked. Nope, it's come back up. Oh, a duck back there. Duck back there. No, did you see it? There was a duck back there. Yeah. I think that was a mallard. Okay, there's nothing to worry about, folks. It looks like a family of gorillas. He's gonna die. Oh, God! Oh, don't get it. Whoa, they are going bananas. Listen, now we gotta split. Now that was a little dangerous right there, folks, especially for this hour of the morning. But over here, that's not dangerous. No, that's bamboo. Now Leonard Moss, he's a botanist with Felix. He says bamboo can grow up to 6 stories tall. That one looks about 7. That's another story. And this fellow over here, though, he reminds me of my son-in-law. Yeah, he's always got his hand up. Flights are followed, of course, named after that famous African explorer, Dr. Albert. Well, you know, folks, when you're driving a boat, always face forward. Anyway, oh yeah, we're on the Nile River. Oh my gosh, folks, look over there on the left. Now that's a rare sight, everybody. That's an African bull elephant. You know, locals say they're known for their large tusks, enormous ears, and amazing memory. And I gotta tell you, folks, I wish I had a memory like that. Oh my gosh, would you look over here on the right-hand side? That is a rare sight, everybody. That's an African bull elephant. Oh, you know, locals say they're known for their large tusks, enormous ears, and amazing memory. I tell you, I wish I had a memory like that. Well, now here we are on the African belt. We got zebra, giraffe, the brown things with the horns. Yeah, those are new. Oh my gosh. You don't see this every day, folks. A pride of lions watching over a sleeping zebra. Now, locals say that's how they sleep in the wild, though. With their neck at that 45-degree angle. Man, how can that be comfortable? Ah, nature. You never understand. Skipper Felix! Where'd you go? You know, this morning there was a lift on that tree. Now there's 20. I'll get some plants here, folks. You want to point some of these out to you? There's one. I like that pink one. Oh, we're heading into a hippo pool. Hey, it looks like you're in luck, folks. Locals say this time of year they blow bubbles like that and move their ears so they don't suffer from hypothermia. They're coming up to greet us. You know, scratch that. I think they're coming up to eat. There he is. Back up Felix's boat right there. He's going to get us started talking to. This is the back of the boat, right? That's called there. Oh my God. Looks like a bunch of chimpanzees have taken it over. Well, they found a place to crash. One of the front there looks like a skipper. Hey, Skip, you got any jokes? Because the last one kind of tame. That one on the end, though, just creaking. Oh my gosh, they're all over the place. They got into Dr. Chanelski's butterfly collection. He's an entomologist. It bugs me. I don't know what that is. But the one on top right there, we call her a net. And you know butterflies, boy, they're not what they used to be, huh? Caterpillars? Look what's in front of us, though. It's amazing. Colossal. It's the eighth wonder of the world. That's right. It's the backside of water. Ooh, indeed. Drink it in. Now, just ahead on the left. Yep, sometimes that one takes a while. Over here on the right, that's limestone, and locals say a lot of people take that for granted. No, my sentiments exactly. I could have been bolder with that, right? You know, folks, you get a little jaded out here after a while, because, I mean, they're not all gems. We get them with shale, but I thought that one really rough. But that's the last one, I promise. Of course, I can continue, but, oh, no, those are hungry piranha. Yeah, and how they got here from Hungary, I'll never know. That's freshwater fish. How's it going to get over an ocean? That doesn't make any sense. That's a boa sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then asphyxiation. As we round our bend, folks, we see the red sweater I gave Stephanie for Christmas. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's a rare sight, folks. That's an African bull elephant. Yeah, have you heard about these things? They say they're known for their large tusks, enormous ears, and amazing memory. I gotta tell you, folks, I wish I had a memory like that. Ah, you've done it. You survived the world famous jungle cruise. Give yourselves a round of applause. Give her a call. That was amazing, entertaining, and you're so handsome in a Jimmy Stewart kind of way. My mom always says that. And or not, remember, keep your arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the boat. Stay on your bottoms. That's why you got them. You don't want to get anything between the boat and the dock. It's going to cause a lot of peer pressure. Yeah, the punishment's almost over. You guys have a good time?
Yeah!
So did I. Thanks for asking. Hey, listen, if you had a good cruise, I'm Skipper Carl. If not, I'm Skipper Felix. Well, you guys have been a delight. Thanks, guys, for joining me on the cruise. You can stand on up. Those on the water side.